Hello, everybody. I'm here to share with you the CVS CarePass. I do not work for CVS. I do not work for CVS CarePass or anything like that. I'm just sharing the information with you guys. So last month I was in CVS and the cashier said, "Do you want to sign up for the CVS CarePass?" And first I said no. And then she started explaining the benefits to it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I got the first month free. This is my second month using it where I paid for it. And so I'm gonna tell you about it. Okay. So of course, get your first month free. CarePass members get 20% off every day. That's on the CVS brand, like health products, like like cough medicine, um, anything in like the medicine area that has that's CVS, made by CVS. You can get 20% off on that. I think you can get, I'm not sure, so don't quote me on this, but maybe like the baby products that's by CVS also. But CVS health brands, rather, you can get 20% off. Okay, so the perks: free same day delivery of eligible medications and more, 20% off CVS Health and Live Better Wellness products. I guess that includes vitamins and stuff like that. Free 1 to 2 day shipping from CVS.com. 24/7 pharmacist helpline. So I'm going to read the small print. Membership is $5 per month, or $48 annually plus tax. Membership requires recurring charges to your payment card and automatically renews until canceled. So they have the number listed if you want to cancel it. No later than 3 days before the renewal date, or cancel online. Okay, so you do get a $10 monthly promo. That's like you can use it towards just about anything. So let me see if I can find a little more information here. Okay, so that's about it. What I want to say is, I was excited about this program because, free shipping is good. But then what happened was, you want to weigh whether this is good enough for you, whether this is a good thing for you. Okay, it's only $5 a month. That's good. But when I went on CVS.com and I went to search for like the body washes and shower gels and different things, you have to get the products in order to get that free shipping. You have to get products that's listed that has CarePass, and you get that free shipping. But what I noticed was those products was higher than a lot of the other products in that store. And it was like you couldn't get every body wash and stuff. Some things was only available to go in the store. But from what I understand, someone's told me that I can use this in store also and get that 20% off their CVS, health and wellness products. But come on. I did purchase some body washes. But what I was seeing was like $9, $7.99, and the laundry detergents were real expensive and everything. So you're doing good to get that free shipping, but let me tell you, you're paying a lot more. That's why it's only $5. You're paying a whole lot more for those products. So me, being the cheapskate I am, like in December, I was saying I'm gonna change up and start getting me some better products from CVS and some of the other stores because I actually love CVS store. I go there a lot. But I said I was gonna stop buying all this cheap stuff from Dollar Tree and all this stuff. And let me tell you, everybody, I'm gonna be back to shopping at Dollar Tree. That's what the real truth is. Because if I'm gonna pay $10 for a body wash, I can get 10 or a little less than 10 for $10. Um, I can get other items for $1.25. It hurts me as a cheapskate to have to pay $10 for just one bottle of something. Okay, so when it came time for me to get my $10 promo, oh, I was all excited about that. Oh, I can get the body wash and get this and get that, and um, stuff was still really high. And took money off. You are eligible to use some of your reward points and stuff like that off your order. But it was like they added some more money to what I had ordered. Like I had a good amount off, and then it's like by the time they figured everything out, it was a lot more, you know. So I paid a little bit over my $10 reward. I paid a little bit over that, and it's good to get something, but you have to wait a whole thing. So I probably will be with them another 2 months and see, really is it saving me money, and is it really as good as they're saying. I also had a body wash that didn't come. The other ones came, and that one is delayed. It's been delayed for a while. So I know things are going on with, the mails and all that kind of stuff, but right now, I don't see so much of the savings. Okay. If I was to switch my medications totally over to CVS, I think it would be worth it. But hey, my neighborhood pharmacy delivers for free. I don't have to join no membership club and none of that kind of stuff. So go over there and check it out and see if it's something. Maybe it'll be worth it to you. But like I said, for body wash, if I'm gonna pay $2 and that's $20, that's still a lot of money. And like I said, everything is not under the CarePass, which means that, okay, if it's not under the CarePass, you won't get that free shipping for those items. Or you might have to just go to the store. Well, if I'm shopping online, I want to get all my stuff online at that one time, Everything is not for everybody. This may work for some people. It may actually work, The girl at the cashier was saying, you can cancel before the month is over, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna give it another month or two and see, because I'm not a person for all these membership things. I like to get my stuff, pay for it, even if I buy in bulk. At least I have it in my house. But all these recurring payments, we have to watch those, $5, $10, $20 here, there, and all this stuff, when you can just go to one place, or one or two places, and just buy your stuff every month. Hey, Walmart has, shipping. So I think they have some kind of a program too. I'm going to look into it, but I don't know if I'm going to join up, but I am going to check it out. But a lot of these stores is coming up with these so-called rewards and promos and all that stuff. We'll talk to you again soon.